Hi and welcome back to another video. What we're going to take a look at today is replacing the thumbsticks on a Xbox 360 controller. Chances are if you've been gaming in the last 20 years you'll probably have one of these controllers lying about. This one in particular, it's in really good condition apart from the thumbstick rubbers have come off it. So we'd like to recondition it and replace them. So what we're going to need in order to do it is a screwdriver kit for opening the controller and 2 replacement thumbsticks. For these parts I'll put a link in the description below, and I'll also link the toolkit as well. So on Amazon, these are the parts here you're actually looking for. As you can see, they're relatively cheap. Don't get them confused with these ones here. These ones just clip on top of the existing thumbsticks. I've had these before, my experience of them isn't great, they just seem to slip off all the time, so you're actually better just replacing the whole thumbsticks for a better experience. For opening the controller, this is the set I use here. It pretty much has every single bit you need to open any sort of electronic device, and it has opening tools as well, so for opening this controller. So let's go ahead and get started. Firstly we'll take the battery cover off, which I've already removed, and we'll remove the screws. Some screws round about here. I think there's 6 in the back, 3 there, 3 each side, and there's one under this little sticker here, which we'll remove. Yeah, well, once we remove the sticker, it exposes a screw under there. So once we've removed all 6 screws at the sides there and the screw in the middle, we use this little spudger thing and we'll prise the case apart carefully. It doesn't take much force to do it, you just need to get in between the case and just kind of push up gently on it. As you can see, it's coming away very easily. And we just half it in two like so. So that gives us access to the thumbsticks there. Good news is we're not really going to need to take anything else out of it to replace these. What you could do, this one's not too bad, but if it was quite dirty you could give it a clean while we've got the controller open. So what we do now is we simply just pull up on the thumbstick and it comes out. As you can see, there's nothing left of these ones. The rubbers just came right off them. If you compare them side by side, you'll see the difference in the wear and tear. It's now simply a case of just putting these on. Just push down. You just need to line them up, they only go a certain way. So once you've done that, just push them on. And that's that one as well. So there we are, it's as easy as that, just to replace the thumbsticks on the controller. And now we'll put the controller back together. So yeah, we just push that down and push the controller together. Now it's just a case of screwing it all back together again. And there we are, that's how to replace the thumbsticks on your 360 controller. So hopefully this has helped some of you guys out and you've revamped your controller now. It's a nice and easy repair, and for the sake of a few pound with nice fresh thumbsticks on it. So thanks again for watching, hopefully this has helped some of you out, and see you again soon. Cheers, bye bye.